Good afternoon, everybody, and Vanakkam Chennai. Can we put up the slides, please? Yeah, so thank you all for being patient and being present for this event. And today I'll be speaking a bit about the deployment of RFID technology in the retail vertical and how it will help you all to thrive. So if you look at the retail market, world retail GDP is around 30 trillion and India is just a 600 billion. And of the 600 billion retail GDP, only 5% of it is e-commerce. And if we compare it with the country which is like around the same population like us, which is around more than a billion, China is almost 10 times bigger than us, and 25% of China's retail economy is on e-commerce platform. So this definitely shows that there is a lot of scope for growth in our country. What we need to do basically is in the retail consumer journey, all the retailers here, they want their brand to be seen, the customer to come to their shop and or their platform and buy their product. And more importantly, what is important in today's world is you want not only your customer to be your loyal customer, but you want your customer to be an influencer. Your customer should influence others to buy your products. How do we do that? So omni-channel is one way. You just can't grow in one format now. You just can't be a e-commerce platform, or you just cannot be a website, or you just cannot be a brick or mortar store. You have to find out new ways, and technology will be the enabler for the success of your omni-channel sales. One pyramid, which is the data, information, knowledge, wisdom pyramid, which I would want all of you to look up on Google. And it is a very interesting pyramid. You can study it at leisure. But the key takeaway here is that on the x-axis, if you see the understanding increase and the dependability, from the data, we were reaching till knowledge, but what we want now is wisdom. So if we have to do that, the basic thing is about data collection and data capture. You have to collect a lot of data and use effective tools of data collection, and one of that tool is wireless IoT, and RFID falls under the wireless IoT platform. So what we are is basically automatic identification and data capture tool. We help our customers to optimize cost, improve operational efficiency, and the most important is enriching the customer experience. This is helping our customers to not only monitor their business or manage their business, but also they have been able to monetize it. When we deployed the RFID solution in retailers, these were the key pain points which we identified. The entry at barrier gates, long queues near the entrance, product hunting was a challenge, stock availability was a challenge, the customers remained unattended, the fitting room, there was a fair amount of dissatisfaction at the fitting room, and long queues at the checkouts. So we deployed our solution, the RFID solution, to address these pain points. And this is one of the largest retailers in India where we have deployed RFID, and this is what we have achieved there. So the inventory accuracy with the traditional barcode system was 70%, and now we have reached to 99.96%. The omni-channel fulfillment was around 80%, now it is 100%. The omni-channel picking time was anywhere between 24 to 48 hours. Now it is less than a minute. This is the biggest impact. And also another impact is the safety stock for omni-channel, which was 2, has become 0. The other areas were the time taken for inventory in less than 2 hours. A typical store of around 5 to 7,000 square feet with 50,000 apparel or accessories, the inventory can be taken accurately in less than 2 hours. The inventory which was happening annually or twice in a year is now happening daily or weekly. The shrinkage visibility also is real, almost real time. And in less than 30 minutes, the store inwards and outwards are being processed. How this is done, how we have achieved these results is by deployment of item level tagging on RFID. And I appeal to all the retailers here that, study the technology, try to understand, try to find out partners who can help you. We can be one of your partners. We'll be more than willing to do that. We'll be more than happy to get into consulting and workshop with you to understand your pain points, do a POC at your organization or one of the stores if given an opportunity, and take it to a rollout stage. We are a Tech Mahindra company. We all know RFID because of the FASTag, which is there on our windshield of the car for tolling today. We are more than 60% market share today in FASTag. We are more than 50% market share today in custom sealing of containers. So every export container leaving the country is having a RFID tag and custom seal from us. We are in the business for more than 20 years with 4,000 plus happy customers. And we have a booth here at stall number 3 in outside the exhibition, and I'll be more than happy to share and demonstrate our capabilities on RFID, which will definitely help your businesses to thrive in the future. Thank you for your attention.